Hi, my name is Mark Divak from DivakDevelopers.com. Today they finished the framing of all of our footings. They ran our rebar, they hung our rebar. They worked really hard. They did it in about a day. And you can tell it's a lot of work involved in this, of laying out like we explained before on the last video that we shot. And I want to show you a couple of things over here. I want to show you a bulkhead. I want to show you what exactly they do with the rebar. Come over here to take a peek. All this rebar is all hung like over here by the strings or the wires, so that when we pour the concrete, it's off the ground, so it's in the middle of the concrete. It's perfect. Everything's all bent, all attached together, so it's one whole piece. That's what you want. You don't want any breaks whatsoever. They're all wired all nicely together, and everything is running all continuous. You want one continuous line, 2-inch rebar all around every little spot that you have. If you look over here, here's our garage. I'm going to show you what a bulkhead is. The bulkhead is when we jump up in elevation, because there's no sense. The garage is going to be solid, and it would be a lot of work if you have to dig it all out. The bulkhead moves up about 2.5 to 3 feet, runs up here, all runs solid, boom, to our next level, which is going to be level of our garage up here, which I'll show you, so we don't have to fill this in. So, virgin soil. You want the virgin soil. It's all compacted, it's beautiful, it's not going to settle. That's what we want. We don't want settlement. God forbid we have settlement. I mean, it's a beautiful day today. Finally, it's starting to break for us. We've been very lucky so far with the rain and everything. It hasn't rained. We opened our hole up because rain causes a problem too. If it rains too much on your foundation, on the ground, underneath your footings, it starts to slop up. You might have to bring in stone, have to get a soil guy to come in and give you calculations to make sure the soil is hard enough, because you don't want movement down here. You want this all to be perfect. You need virgin soil. You need it to be on virgin soil. If they over dig it, they dig it too much and put soil back on top of it, what's going to happen? Soil is surely going to move. You're going to get settlement, you're going to get cracks. This is the most important part. It's like your shoes. You know, you walk around with your shoes. You don't have good shoes, what happens? Your feet hurt. Well, you don't have a good footing, your house is going to hurt. So this is what's going to happen. This happens right now, and what we're going to do next is we're going to pour this. It's all going to be poured. So next time we talk, you're going to see it all poured, and we're going to explain to you what they exactly did and how they stripped it all. And you're going to see rebar sticking up, and we're going to start building walls. This rebar right here is all pre-bent. If you can see right over here, they got a pile of it already. As they pour these footings, what they're going to do is they're going to take this rebar with the nice bend, the angle bend in here, and they're going to stick it up right in the middle of our footing. So what that does is, as we put these all around our footings, and they're sticking all up everywhere, they take them and they're all sticking up all around the whole place, and then they take these protective knobs and they stick them on top. And I'll show you that, and you're going to see that all in the next shooting. And what this is a continuation, so when we put up our walls, we could tie our rebar to this, runs up our walls, and again, all continuous. You need all continuous rebar, all touching together all the time, because that's what gives you the strength. That's what you really want. And if your guy's not doing this, they also put in a channel in the middle. That helps too, because the concrete pours in the middle and holds the wall right in a nice spot. But this is what you really want to see. You want to make sure your contractor is definitely putting in the vertical rebar, because that's the most important part. All right, thanks.